It's been a long, hard road for all of us. But now we've cleared every 60-vote hurdle. Along the way, we stand a few short steps from the most significant finish line we've had in Congress for many decades. We stand on the doorstep of history. We recognize that, but much more importantly, we stand so close to making so many individual lives better.
When we started on this path more than a year ago, we knew it wouldn't be easy, but we have worked tirelessly to deliver more affordable health care, to deliver an insurance market that works for patients, not profits, to deliver billions of dollars in tax credits to help families and small businesses purchase insurance, and to control health care costs to get American families, businesses, and the economy back on track. Today, we can all be proud of what this bill accomplishes. We can be proud that every American in every state will benefit from new consumer protections and a more stable, secure health care system.
This is a great achievement. With all of the talk and all of the debate and all the charts and all of this and all that tomfoolery that goes on the Senate floor, what it really comes down to this. For far too long, we've had one dividing line in America, one dividing line that no other developed country has. We've had a dividing line on which, on one side, those with wealth and health had good health care. They had the privilege of having good health care. But on the other side, so many didn't. What this bill does is we finally take that step from health care as a privilege to health care as an inalienable right of every single American citizen.
This debate has been dominated by partisanship and politics. But I don't see this as 60 Democrats versus 40 Republicans. I see it as 60 leaders who stood up to insurance companies and stood up for working families all across America. I see it as 60 leaders who know it's long past time we declare health care a right and not a privilege. I see it as 60 leaders who refuse to let fear overwhelm the facts.
The road to this moment has been long and difficult, as we all know. Progress always is. But we happy few in many ways, who have the privilege to cast our votes for health care reform tomorrow morning will never cast a more important vote in our careers. History will judge harshly those who have chosen the simple path of obstruction over the hard work of making change. It always does. But for those of us who have fought long and hard, in the memory of Ted Kennedy, who began this charge so many, many years ago, to build this legislation from a blank sheet of paper, made compromises when necessary, and stood firm in the face of long odds, we will always remember this day.
Leadership is not doing what's easy. Leadership is taking on what is difficult and what is right. We all know that the challenges we face in this legislation pale in comparison to the challenges millions of Americans face because of our broken health care system. Today, we can say we confronted those challenges, we lifted those burdens, and we did what is right. And I'm very, very proud to say that Americans won.